Welcome to Hayes Farm. Located on unceded and unsurrendered Willistigate territory on the north side of Fredericton, Hayes Farm is a human-scale organic teaching farm. The farm is a community-led and oriented project focused on food sovereignty and food security, with around 50 food shares this year. I'm an intern of the Regenerative Farming Certificate Program, which is an 18-week-long course held from April till August, with about a 30-70 split between class and being in the field. Here we learn about planting, maintenance, and harvesting of many different vegetables. We're a diverse group of people of all ages, from all walks of life, with diverse motivations for being here. A day in the life at the farm varies from week to week and day to day. Expect to do some weeding, napping, harvesting, composting, planting, outhousing, and tending to the hoop house. This year, things were a bit different at the farm as a result of COVID-19. Good hand washing practices, proper sanitization of tools, as well as social distancing was important to reduce the risk of anyone getting sick. In addition to the farming certificate, Hayes Farm offers a holistic farm planning course of 20 sessions to help participants put together a personal, realistic, and fulfilling farm plan. For more information about either program, check out the farm's website at hayesfarm.ca. Thanks for coming to Hayes Farm's Digital Farm Day. Bye!